1학년 1반 8번 김현준 발표 시작하겠습니다. Hello everyone, I'm Kim Hyunjun. I will talk about the topic, what is desirable relationship between human and nature. First is the reason why I chose this topic. The start was an article. It was an article about nature reserves. It explained that the start of nature reserve and the start is Yellowstone National Park. I was curious what they do exactly, so I searched. In Wikipedia, they said it's a protected area of importance for flora, fauna, or features of geological or other special interest. Also, nature reserves save biodiversity and have an experiment of features living there. But while searching more, I found a sources in science which said nature reserves don't save biodiversity. Even worse, they are decreasing. If you see this graph, the biodiversity in nature reserves has really been decreasing since 1970. After I saw these sources, I was thinking about what the reason is, and finally I found the reason. Can you see this picture? Actually, it's a picture of nature reserve. As you can see in this picture, there are roads and farms. People farm in nature reserves in over 30% of nature reserves. So I thought the reason is because of humans' influence. Because of humans' influence, they can't work properly. So after making this result, I chose this topic. But it was not only me who thought what desirable relationship is. Human beings thought differently about nature in three big periods. In ancient times, people considered nature as God. So if natural disasters occurred, they thought it's a punishment of nature. They obey nature. This is one example that shows it. In this picture, people are having ancestral right to nature. In the 1600 to 1900, as science was developed, people thought nature is under their control. So they destroyed nature as development. In this period, people had developed it a lot, but because of this development, a big problem is caused in 21st century. In 21st century, nature is considered as related with humans. As I said before, because of it, the reason belongs to development. As people had destroyed nature lots of natural disasters are occurring these days, like landslides and tsunamis. I want to ask something. Among these three thoughts, which one do the students agree? I asked for 10 students. Among them, I chose 2. I can't let you know their names, so I will call them A and B. A said nature should be controlled by humans because God made the nature for us. On the other hand, B said nature and humans are related because they affect each other. You might know the person who thought like A, as you can guess, is Descartes. So let's imagine, what if Descartes is in the court because of his thought? Well, I don't know exactly, but the judge would say he's guilty because he thought differently even though nature and humans are related. And because of similar thoughts like him, nature was destroyed a lot. As I'll let you know, nature and humans are related. If you destroy nature, nature will destroy you too. So I want to suggest it's not late to save Earth. So what about saving the Earth? Thank you.